Gold crashes. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee, because we're going to need it for this one. Gold has crashed over $80 an ounce. We jump over here to TradingView. It's sitting, what is it down? Down $84 an ounce. So this is gold spot on the US dollar, and you can see that move down here. Now, before we go through the article, I just like going down here and having a look at all of the different predictions or ideas that people have. And we'll open these up in a new window. Let's see if we can see them all. You know, there we go. Short. You know, look at where gold's heading. Boom. And you know, this was 10 hours ago going up. Another one going long. Another one going short. Short. Gold to 2,000 long 8 hours ago. Short-term sell, 450, 12 hours ago, so it's going to bounce right back up if we have a look here. I'm not a TA guy. I really haven't spent the time to look into it. I've realized that my trading strategy is buy and hold. The thing about precious metals that I quite like is if you buy a physical bar and just stick it on the shelf, it's a real pain to sell. So when things like this happen, you go, I'm not going to drive to the gold place, or I'm not going to try and sell it on Facebook. It's long term, you know, that's sitting there for 10, 15 years. Just looks pretty, you know. So that's my genius strategy, guys. I think it comes down a bit with this trading. It comes a lot down to your personality and your psychology. When I remember when silver was going crazy, and I was looking at leveraging on some of these exchanges. It was going up and down, up and down. And I was watching it too much. I was just watching it way too closely. How do you approach these things? I'd be interested to see, because I'm realizing more and more of it has to be to do with psychology. You know, I guess if you just put a bit aside and say, okay, that's my trading, and I'll look at doing that, maybe do 1 or 2 trades. So there we have it, guys. So gold has taken a big slice off it, and the, you know, the experts or the predictors or the TAs, they're all over the place, really. So here he's saying long 10 hours ago. Okay, what's he saying here? Long. I'm waiting that the price will grow in channel XAU, can fall downside of channel. If price will pull back from it, we can have a long position taking resistance to 1972 as a target. Well, we're right down. Let's click the play button here and see how this idea went. There you go. So no, that prediction kind of failed a bit there. Look at that. It's right down the bottom of the chart. Let's do a few others. That's the fun thing with this. That's the fun. Let's have a look at this. Gold will fall. And we'll go here. So strong market excitement has ended, and gold is adjusting the price. Despite the fact the price tried to break through the resistance zone that I mentioned last time, I'm sure the price will go down. Most likely it was only a breakout attempt. Okay. Here we go. Boom. So it went down a lot sharper. Oops. Okay, no ads on the chart. It went down a lot sharper than anticipated, but this is news. So this is news. Let's have a look at another one. Here we go. 11 hours ago. At the beginning of last week, gold broke through the support level, fixed on it, and began to grow. Strong support level. Okay, broke through there. See, this is the problem with this. You know, trading analysis may be a way to analyze just the movements, but news can just be, we'll have a look here. Boom! Quite an upset. You know, news throws all the trading analysis out the window sometimes. And that's what we're seeing here. Let's have a look at gold to 2,000. Okay. We'll go here. Nope. So what have they said? Are they anticipating this here? What's this line? I mean, you can put these lines on anywhere. Good swing trade. What do you think, guys? Do you think he's accurate here? Good swing trade, gold to 2,000? We'll have to see. Are you a TA person? Do you use TradingView? You know, let us know in the comments any hints or tips or your predictions for the price of gold. But this is obviously just a response to news. So let's jump back through here. We've had our fun looking at the charts, and let's look at this article. So, gold tumbles the most since August after a vaccine breakthrough. Fantastic. We'll have to see if the media is right. They tend to jump the gun sometimes. They tend to get excited sometimes. So gold dropped below 1,900 an ounce in London as Pfizer Inc. said a coronavirus vaccine it's developing prevented more than 90% of infections in a study, potentially speeding the economic recovery from the pandemic and dimming hopes for additional stimulus. See, this is the thing. This is why the market really didn't seem to care who was in power, if it was Trump or Biden in the States, did it? Because, well, we'll jump over and we'll have a look at the market too while we're here. What do we have? The Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ, because they're just, it's the Fed. Market follows the Fed, or the market directs the Fed. One does, depends on how you want to take it. What's the difference in stimulus from one or the other? Maybe Biden will be a little bit more laissez-faire with the checkbook, or encourage spending. We'll have to see. So, the results from the large-scale trial represent the most encouraging scientific advance so far in the battle against the pandemic and paved the way for Pfizer and BioNTech SC to seek an emergency use authorization from regulators if further research shows the shot is also safe. I mean, we've heard this before, haven't we? This is now just the version of the old Trump tweets meme. Where do I have it? Do I still have it here? Do I still have it here? I actually had a graphic where we could see, I don't think I've got it anymore, where we could see just the market responding to Trump tweets. No, I've lost it. Every time he tweeted, the market shot up. Every time there's news of a potential vaccine, it crashes down. Gold plunged as much as 5% following the announcement, its biggest slide since August. Optimism that a vaccine is imminent may slow or diminish further stimulus measures to support economies ravaged by shutdowns to stem the pandemic's spread. I doubt it. I really doubt it, because the economic damage has been done. It's been done. Look at Australia. The damage has occurred. They've just extended the job seeker bonus until March next year. So, do you think they're going to be able to turn the tap off? They're going to try. And what do you think will happen? The economy will go, no, we're hooked. We need more. We need more. They're becoming addicted. The market in the States is becoming addicted to the stimulus spending. I'm just waiting to see, with Biden next year, if we start seeing tweets from him that are, look at your 401ks. Look how high they are. Fantastic. Thank my economy. I bet you will see it. That'd be so funny. Bullion has now erased all its gains since the US election, when hopes for more fiscal stimulus helped prices break out of a narrow trading range. Gold is taking the hardest hit so far on the news, said Janet Mirasola, managing director of Secten Futures. The sell-off was likely a reaction from investors who piled into gold recently, convinced that a Biden win would be positive for the precious metals and negative for the US dollar, she said. Gold slipped below its 100-day moving average, a key technical level that may have accelerated its decline. Gold is an asset that has been attracting investors due to an outlook for stimulus and rock-bottom low rates, said Al Hansen, head of commodity strategies at Sachs Bank AS. A potential vaccine reduces the need for economic stimulus as the economies can reopen. Industrial metals, equities, and oil prices all jumped, with copper hitting a 2-year high before slipping back. Wow. Base metals, including zinc and nickel, extended gains seen earlier as investors weighed potential shifts in US trade and energy policy under a Biden administration. Although traders expect Trump-era policies such as steel and aluminium import tariffs won't go away anytime soon, President-elect Biden may seek to de-escalate the broader trade war with China, the top industrial commodity user. And here we go, they're talking about the price. So let's jump back over to our trading view, and we'll have a look. Are there any more? What about, let's look at silver, everyone. Let's look how silver's doing. So silver's not as bad. It's only gone down, oh well, no, it has. It's gone down 5%. So it's gone down $1.44, the same, relative to gold, the same amount. So that's a big move, quite quick. Let's have a look at some ideas again. And here we have someone going short on it. So silver's made a very strong swing up test channel again on the 4th hour chart last Wednesday. So this was 13 hours ago. This could be a really good chance for it to start to drop by making a reflection point on the channel. It is possible for it to test all the supports, which could be in a new position to rise again. Okay, let's see how he did. This is fun. There we go. Okay, so look at, there you go. Look at that news. Look how steep it is compared to other changes, everyone. What else? Long on silver. Long. And this is from November 9th. I don't know how many hours ago. So, silver's seen massive increase in price and volume since March. Together with gold, silver is seeing new investor interest with the US election and the uncertainty that comes with it. The green area on the chart is area of support, which often signals a reversal. Recently, the price has exited this green area, indicating a new short-term bullish move. Not only has the price extended the area of support, it has also extended the bull flag, which formed at the 2020 high in August. In conjunction, these two signals could indicate a bullish move towards resistance 1, the 2020 high. Regarding the support lines, think of them as strong buying pressure, good to use as potential stop losses or reverse possibilities. Also check out my previous gold post. Okay, so let's have a look. So here's the supports and the resistance. And, well, the news isn't doing too well for this prediction right now. We'll have to see if this support area bounces back. We'll have to see. So that'll be interesting. So guys, there we have it. Gold has taken a hit. And we got to play around with looking at some TA predictions. The problem with all of this is, you know, a lot of it there's a logic and reason to it. But as we seem to be learning with our property market, the government and the news can just change things in an instant. In an instant. They can change all the rules. So we'll have to see what happens. Do you think they'll magically be able to turn off the stimulus spigot or tap? Or do you think they'll kind of get slapped in the face by the market saying, no, 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 we want our stimulus. We need our stimulus. I think it's going to turn into an election issue here in Australia. How many businesses have been now trading while insolvent and are propped up by JobKeeper? And who a big portion of the revenue they are getting is thanks to the increase in the job seeker. This is a recession, guys. This is going to be tough. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Are you long or are you short on gold? Are you a stacker? You know, have you stacked up tons of it and are you just seeing this as another buying opportunity? Or are you just playing the short market and using the swings to make a bit of money? As always, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and want to support the content I create here, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. You can support us using any of the affiliate links you find down below. You can buy a merch from HeiseSays, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next episode.